So the Galaxy S25 FE is back in the headlines for a unique and improved reason. We recently heard that Samsung is going to drop the Plus variant in the S26 series and replace it with the Edge model. Personally, I don't like this decision by Samsung. However, on the other hand, what Samsung is doing with the FE series is convincing me. Recently, Evan Blass shared the official render image of the S25 FE and we can see that the bezels are thinner and almost symmetrical. It looks way more premium than previous models, hinting that Samsung is trying to make the FE series the next Plus model but not the same. Let me explain that. Compared to the S24 FE, the S25 FE comes with some notable upgrades, including a new display, a more powerful processor, a new selfie camera, a larger battery, and a fast charging. Do you not think this is reminiscent of the flagship Galaxy S25 Plus except for the processor? If we compare the two phones side by side and overlook the Exynos 2400, the S25 FE is essentially the same as the Plus model of the S25 series. Now, according to the latest rumors, the Galaxy S26 FE will also do the same for the S27 series. It is worth noting that this is still in the initial stage at Samsung. However, if Samsung consider dropping the Plus for the Edge, the FE will likely take its place. Hopefully, we can expect a major upgrade in the next FE model, such as a Snapdragon chip and a better back cameras. Moving on. The S25 FE will have a tough armor aluminum frame and will be just 7.4mm thin. That's pretty sleek. As for the front camera, it's getting a nice upgrade to a 12MP, the same as the rest of the Galaxy S25 series. But unfortunately, the back cameras are expected to stay mostly the same. Now, one of the most exciting part is the new One UI 8. We saw it recently during the Galaxy Z Fold 7 launch. The S25 FE might be the first bar-style phone to come with this new software, putting it ahead of some flagship models. Now Samsung hasn't confirmed the price yet, but if they can keep it between $599 and $649, it would be an amazing deal for everything this phone is offering. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy S25 FE? Will you buy this or has Samsung lost the FE series? Let me know in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.